Welcome to Now in Nature. This time, it's all about the great egret. Great egrets are large wading birds. They have white feathers, they have very long black legs, they have long necks, and their bills are long, thick, and yellow. During the mating season, the great white egrets get more dressed up though. They will go from a pristine white to having a patch on their face that turns neon green, and they grow very long plumes from their back. An adult great egret can be as tall as an average guitar, which is about 3 feet. They weigh as much as 6 baseballs, or about 2 pounds, and their wingspan is 55 inches. How long is yours? The great egret has a slow, majestic flight. They flap their wings only twice a second. Compare that to a hummingbird that beats their wings over 50 times a second. And they fly at speeds of 25 miles an hour, or about as fast as you drive your car through city streets. While in flight, the great egret will keep their neck in an S shape, which is one way you can tell them apart from storks and cranes, which will extend their necks in flight. The great egret eats other animals. That means they are carnivores. They love small fish, amphibians, reptiles, small mammals, aquatic invertebrates, and birds. And they hunt while wading through the water, though sometimes they will hover over the water and dip for fish. So where can we go look for them? Well, as we learned, they eat mostly water-living creatures, so that must mean they live near the water. Great egrets live in both freshwater and saltwater wetlands. They live on every continent except Antarctica. There is small populations throughout the entire Mississippi River Valley. And great egrets love trees near large lakes with reed beds and other large wetlands. The great egret will nest alone or in large groups called colonies. The colonies can get as large as 10,000 pairs of birds. The males will start the nest with long sticks and twigs, and then the female will complete the nest. Here's some last awesome facts about these amazing birds. They are crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. They can live 15 years in the wild. And the great egret? That's a symbol of the National Audubon Society. Thank you for joining us on Now in Nature.